Here in this video we are going to make a human sensor automatic gun. For that I have taken this geared motor and a syringe. This syringe will work as our gun barrel. It will be placed this way. I will cut the holes for the trigger and for the bullet intake. Placing a pen cover to make the trigger. (3D) printing two flaps which will be connected to the motor. The flaps are a bit longer and it requires a slope to trigger our gun, so I have cut them into the shape. This piece will be our magazine for the bullets. I had already made a hole for the bullets, so now I will stick the magazine over the hole. This rubber band will pull our trigger this way. Now I will stick the gun over the motor. To sense the human, I have taken this PIR sensor. It has 3 pins, VCC, out and GND, which is ground. To know more about this sensor, click on the link above. The output signal is not powerful enough to run our motor, so I am connecting a MOSFET to amplify the output power. The gate pin of the MOSFET will be connected to the output of the sensor. Follow the circuit diagram for complete wiring. The motor spins in the opposite direction, so I will interchange the wires. I have printed this clamp to mount our setup on gimbal. The clamp is a bit wide, so I will remove one of the flap as it can work with a single flap as well. This nail will hold our sensor. Now we have to place the whole setup on gimbal. I am making a bullet from the plastic pipe. To track a human, there are two options, face and body. I will select the body.
ओके जाओ.
To power our gun, I am using a power bank. So whenever a human comes in the camera, it starts tracking. And once it reaches the range of PIR sensor, the gun activates and it keeps firing for few seconds. Okay, hope you like this video and sure to subscribe. See you in the next video.